Super Typhoon Haiyan, one of the most powerful typhoons in history, struck the Philippines on November 8, 2013 as a Category 5 storm. The typhoon's fury affected more than 14 million people across 44 provinces, claiming the lives of over 8,000 people and displacing millions more. Just recently, current Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the namesake of Philippine dictator Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr., has slammed the two administrations that preceded his presidency for allegedly doing nothing about the Yolanda rehabilitation efforts.
Hindi na nakapala ng sa Yolanda. So that's still that all those rehabilitation, we only really started 2 years ago. Because nothing was done. In the previous administration, nothing was done in the administration before that.
Marcos Jr.'s statement is far from the sentiments of the people on the ground, on which his predecessor had helped.
Sana marami pa siyang matulungan at makontinue kung ano yung mga hangarin niya para sa mga katulad namin na mahihirap. Maraming salamat po kay Tatay Digong sa malaking tulong na binigay sa amin. God bless po and palagi po kayong maging malakas. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat kay dating Presidente Duterte sa bigay na tulong, house and lot namin.
In 2017, Marcos, who was a civilian at that time, fresh from his defeat in the 2016 vice presidential race, commended then-President Duterte for his efforts in the Yolanda rehab, a complete opposite to his most recent comments now that he is president.
Salamat sa si Duterte unang dumating sa
Malaking tulong talaga sa amin ni President Duterte na dumating siya sa amin dito ay magbigay. Lahat kami dito napapasalamat. O hindi dahil sa kanila, sa kami.
This village alone has more than 2,000 housing units, and the majority of those homeowners are single parents. All of them are thankful beyond words to former President Duterte. People there are saying that the housing units were not free, as they were about to pay for them on a monthly basis. But when Duterte came, all of the fees were waived. In fact, they have now the land and house title in their hands.
That nothing was done by the two previous administrations regarding post-Yolanda recovery program.
Ang takbuban si Plato. Salamat sa si Duterte unang dumating sa
Natulungan po kami kaya pagkakaalam ko talaga ang para time na yun siya ang nag-chat. Siya ang nagbigay ng ilaw. Kasi sabi niya sa mga tao niya, pag hindi niyo yan binigyan, gagawin ko kayo ng swimming pool. Yun yung pagkakaalam ko there. Kahit nga papapiliin ko ako kung sino pa rin yung presidente ko as of now, ako po talaga siya pa rin. Siya pa rin po pipiliin ko.
Again, I would repeat that there is an imperative need, moral obligation for the Samoanians to help. To all of my fellow Samoanians, hear me out. We have to help. Just human tragedy there. We must go. The mandate mission is to aim for them. And maybe to be with them after time.
Meanwhile, 205,000 Typhoon Yolanda victims will soon be granted free housing from the government.
Yung housing ninyo, after a few years you have to pay 200,000. Yung Pablo, pati yung Yolanda. Basta ako pa ang presidente, libre na yan. No more.
Nagtataka kami kung anong nangyayari. Akala namin may gera. Ang karami-raming vehicles yung basahin ko. Salamat sa Diyos, si Duterte unang dumating sa mundo.
I'm sorry that I do not want to offend anybody. I am not satisfied. Pero I'll be back December. Mike, gusto ko na sa harap nila, gusto ko, by December, gusto ko makalipat na lahat.
Yes, sir.
Commitment na. And ask everybody to cooperate. Kindly cooperate. Do not delay government projects.
I said I was riding a chopper at the time they took
really in a mess. But sabi ko, I cried twice. Just walking navigating among the dead, I realized all that people alone, yung iba mga pamilya ba, ay di ba pigilan sarili ko, I cried twice. Alam mo, nakawa ako sa kanila. Even if you wanted to retreat.
The figure probably, I suspect, the figure probably that our current president was talking about is the remaining 15%. The remaining 15% of something like 30,000 na lang. 30,000 na lang of the 205,000 target. Yun probably ang sinasabi niya na umpisahan nila.
At seek shelter. Hindi ko malaman kung iiyak ako. I cannot shout with anger because you cannot be mad at anybody there.
Hindi ko nga alam kung anong gagawin ko kasi marami pala sila. Nakuha sa aking pamilya. Talaga mo, 11 sila.
I told it to when you see the residents. We have to help. Maski na pa paano kasi ano kalit. We have
Ulat, what's new? Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, follow, and share, huwag niyong kalimutan na tangkilikin upang patuloy na makapaghatid ako ng magandang balita.